Should you cash in your bonds early? And what's the best way to really improve your credit score? Our Stephanie Elam is at the CNN Help Desk.
Time now for the Help Desk, where we get answers to your financial questions. Joining me this hour, Doug Flynn, a certified financial planner and founder of Flynn Zito Capital Management, and Donna Rosato, a senior writer at Money. Thanks for joining us. All right, first question is from Buzz. I own some Treasury bonds that I bought about 4 years ago and mature in 10 years. They pay about 4.2% interest. If I choose to sell at some time before maturity, how much interest should I be looking for in new bonds? Doug, what do you think?
Well, what he's got is basically a 6-year bond, because that's the time he has left, at 4.2%. That's actually excellent. So new bonds around that time frame are 2 to 3%. So rates have to come up a lot. The problem with when rates go up with Treasury bonds, a lot of people don't know, the principal actually goes down. Most people don't look at what the current value of those bonds are if you were to sell them today. But if rates are higher a year or two from now, you go to sell them then, the principal is actually going to go down. What likely is going to happen here is he probably should end up sticking with it. The rates are going to have to be much higher than 4.2%. The only way he can get that is if he goes out 20 or 30 years. I wouldn't recommend locking in 20 or 30 years with rates where they are now. You want to do that when rates really have a chance to go up.
When they've gone back up, yeah. All right, our next question comes from Claudia. She writes, my credit score is pretty low. I've never been good with credit cards, and I never learned to manage all my accounts. I just got a stable job with great pay, which I hope helps. What can I do to bring my score up, and how long will it take for any changes to occur? I bet you there's a lot of people in her boat, Donna.
Very much, but I think it's great that she's got a steady job where she can now start tackling her credit problems. And the good news is with your credit score is that more recent activity counts a lot more than older activities. So if she can start paying more than the minimum, start paying down that debt, that's going to start helping her improve her credit score. But again, she wants to make sure she's making on-time payments, she's whittling down that debt, and making sure that she isn't going over the limit on any of her credit cards. She wants to make sure that she's making the most of that good, stable job. And if she does those things, within a few months, she should start seeing a change in her credit score.
Really good info. Thanks so much, Doug and Donna. The Help Desk, of course, is all about getting you answers. So send us an email to cnnhelpdesk@cnn.com. We might just answer it right here next week. You can also pick up the latest issue of Money Magazine on newsstands now.